Hello everybody, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon to all of you. And at first, take my love from my heart. And to, at the beginning, thanks for the HEXA'S Gobindaganj and the debate competition. I'm proud of you, proud of me because I'm a participant for debate competition. This is a competition student at the because we first year participant of the spoken student which is 167. Today our selected topic. Debate competition, city life is more competitive than village life. My topic name education, city education. So I'm going to talk about my topic, education. And now, presently now, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina always educated country, as well as always supporting educated student, important Prime Minister and better education. A city living student always brilliant and student I know. My opposition team, you understand. 2022, now SSC or HEC exam giving, then city living student always get golden A plus or SSC or HEC. But village student always but 100 student, village 100 student among one person, village student I know. My opposition team, you understand. Now, always city living student very brilliant because they are student, city living student brilliant because there is university, school, college, varsity near, but village not nearby school, college, university. Suppose example, me and my class teacher Mahushan sir 2 months ago, I visiting to village. Then I see 10 village over then one university, varsity and school. But city living near school and college. That's it. Example, at Gobindaganj at Sylhet. Always city living student brilliant among this reason, always morning time get up and continue carry on study. But village student always get up morning time then playing, not carry on study. And city living student always, that's okay. Assalamualaikum.